It's time to make some playpants. The pattern that comes in your DIY doll kit is for shorts, but if you want them to be long, you just extend the pattern. And who wouldn't want them to be long? How fabulous are these? I mean, these are cute too, but so are these. But I like these too. I don't know. They're both really cute. To get started, you're gonna need your scissors and then dive into that DIY doll kit and choose your favorite fabric. Pop out the shorts from your activity poster, grab your needles and your thread. That's all you need. If you take a look on the back of your pattern, it's going to show you the instructions on how to construct your shorts. It shows you that you need to cut out 2 pieces of fabric, 2 shorts, and then you're going to stitch them together on the sides and then in the middle. And then you're going to flip it right side out, so all your stitching is tucked inside, and then on the outside it's nice and clean. So my fabric here is folded in half. It's one long sheet that I have folded into half. I'm going to place my pattern into the corner, and I'm doing that because I don't want to use all of this. This is awesome and I can use it to make other clothes for my doll. But I'm going to put it here and I'm going to cut it out. And because it's folded in half, I'm cutting out both sides of my shorts in one go. And who doesn't like a shortcut? So now we've cut out our shorts. We have 2 pieces, they're identical, laying on top of each other. Before we start sewing, I want to talk to you about something. Fabric tends to have one good side, which is usually where the pattern is, and then one bad side, which is the back side of the pattern. This fabric, both sides are good, so we can start stitching immediately. But if your fabric has a good side and a bad side, you want to make sure before you start stitching that your good sides are facing each other here. And then you have the bad side on the outside, and you're going to stitch like that. So that way when you're done, you'll flip it right side out, your good side will be on the outside, and your stitches will be on the inside. Okay, so let's start stitching. You're going to do a straight stitch from here to here, and from here to here, and then whee around there. If you aren't sure how to do a straight stitch, definitely put me on pause and go check out our basic stitching video. It explains all stitches you need in order to make your Dumyé DIY doll. It makes things a lot easier if you know how to do the stitches before you try and make the clothes. And don't worry, I'll be here when you're done. Remember when you're stitching that you don't want your stitches to be too big, you don't want the spaces in between to be too big, and you want to try and keep them as even as you can. The reason you don't want your stitches to be too big is because when you flip your fabric right side out, you don't want the fabric to pucker in between your stitches. It doesn't look that great. And after you're putting in all this effort to make your dolly's clothes, we definitely want to make sure they look the best they can be. And sometimes just a tiny bit more effort goes a long way. Now we're going to stitch around the middle. This is what makes them into shorts. And voila, the shorts are complete. So to hide all the stitches, we now turn our shorts inside out. Our shorts are done and they are super cute. But if you want to add a belt, like a drawstring belt, you can check out our skirt tutorial. It shows you exactly how to do it, but it's not necessary. And guess who's joining us today, ladies and gentlemen? Nobody else but Gita. Our model Gita has been so good to us today. Please give her a round of applause, a warm welcome. Hello, Gita. She's going to show us how fabulous these shorts can look on your DIY doll. They're so cute. I can totally imagine going to the park in these, running around and playing. or maybe rocking a swimming suit with her shorts as she plays at the beach. I think they're great. Do you think they're great, Gita? Yeah? Good. Do, 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 do. She's doing a happy dance because she likes her shorts so much. If you liked doing this and you want to make more, definitely watch the rest of Dumyé's DIY doll clothing tutorials, and you can always head to dumye.com for more inspiration to get you going.